Just came in from outside. If I look like a zit about to pop, it's because I'm bundled up with about 4 to 5 layers. Because I just came in from shoveling for about an hour from the blizzard that's going on named Hercules. And right now it's 8 degrees, but it feels like 7 below. That's how cold it is right now where we are. And we're going to be doing a lot of shoveling today to keep up with this blizzard that's going to be lasting all day today and all day tomorrow to tomorrow night. So the next 2 vlogs is going to be just a lot of me shoveling and probably show you some more, probably some games maybe. I said I've been doing that, I haven't, but later on today we'll do another pick of the day. But right now I'm trying to warm up. Hands are getting warm. Feet can barely feel them. But I had to shovel a path for the car, even though we're not going anywhere today, but just in case of an emergency, and uncover the car somewhat and make a path. You'll be seeing a lot of that later on in this vlog. I didn't want to show right now because I wanted to get the brunt of it, but you'll see the aftermath. This is actually the biggest storm right now of 2014. That little snow I showed you in the previous vlog ain't nothing compared to this one. And I mean nothing. So, come and join in this vlog and watch me shovel snow while you're all warm and cozy having tea or hot chocolate in your homes watching me as I breathe the weather. Just to show you the what it looks like, the snow. I'll open this door. This is how much snow, really. You can't really see the depth of it, really, that much. You can't really, but it's a lot of snow. You see, it's a lot of snow. You'll see it more when I do the front, when I shovel again, how deep it goes down. To show you, the steps are completely covered. But just to show you that this is a lot more deeper than the last snow we had. It's time for game of the day and a little bit of extra. Today's game is also another Christmas gift. You're probably saying, well, damn, how many games did you get? Well, I'm not telling you. We're getting near the end. We're going to have to pick regular games for the game of the day. But today is going to be another Christmas gift one. And it's a sequel to the first one that came out. I never played this one. I played the first one and won it. And that is Medal of Honor Warfighter. It's not that new, but it's new to me because I've never played this one. I've played the first one and won it. I thought the first one was pretty good. The second one I've heard is actually better than the first one. I have not played this one yet. I'm trying to get a good picture view of it. I mean, we all know Battlefield 4 is out. That you get the beta for, but the 4th game is already out. And you've seen that when I was in the last vlog at my parents, that you saw that I got her a tablet. And I showed you the case. I didn't show you everything. But Santa left something under my tree, and that was the same tablet. But the only thing was, as mine's blue, she got a red one for Christmas. I got a blue one. And to give you a little bit of more of a specs of it, because I didn't really go into detail with it. It's a 7-inch tablet. It's by Double Power. You get a front-facing camera. You get an 8 gig memory. 7-inch screen. Has Wi-Fi. It works on the Android Jelly Bean. And let me show you what is inside of it. If I can open it up. Oh, the thing don't want to open. There we go. Didn't want to rip it. It came with everything, really. Came with a USB wire, so you can hook it up right directly to your laptop or PS3 or whatever if you want to transfer files back and forth. Like if you got a movie on your PlayStation or whatever, you want to transfer it to the tablet, you can. It came with earbuds, which are pretty cool earbuds. Blue to go with the color of the tablet. Instruction manual. And then it came with the velvet case, which I want to get a protective case too for it, but not yet. And as you can see, it's blue in the back. I put it in a memory card to give it an extra 4 gigs, so now I have 8 gigs and 4 extra gigs. And there's the camera right there. I think it's pretty good. I like it. I've been using it. It even has, which a lot of, I don't know if a lot of tablets have it or not, because this is my first tablet. It has an HDMI outlet, so you can hook it directly up to your big screen TV if you want to watch something that if you have in here. There's the USB. There's the headphone, power, reset button, volume, and the charging. Which the charger I have hooked up around there in the back near the wall. But I think it's pretty cool. Nice little velvet bag. So that's today's thing. You got the tablet and you got the game of the day. That was the little bit of more stuff. And maybe I'll just maybe show a little bit of the Gran Turismo 6 maybe if I do put that on today. I don't know what game I'm going to put on today yet. I haven't decided. I've been playing a lot of this game because I'm trying to get the last one. Actually, it should have been the game of the day, but it's old. The Monopoly game. This is the very first Monopoly game that came out for the PS3. It's better than the other one. The other one was the Monopoly Streets game, and the Monopoly Streets game isn't really that good. You eat for everyone. Yeah, the Monopoly Streets game isn't as good as this one. This one's a lot better. But I've been playing that a lot because I've been wanting to get the last board unlocked. But that's what I might be playing later. And I got this. I got also this as a gift from Santa. Was a McFoley book. I haven't read it yet, since he's a big-time author now. It's called Countdown to Lockdown. Hardcore Journey of McFoley. #1 New York's best-selling author. It's about the pay-per-view event when he was in TNA. When he was leading up to the pay-per-view event called Lockdown. Pretty cool. I haven't read it yet. I browsed through it. Today's question of the day. Well, actually, it's more of a nostalgia. What is your fondest moment in time, if you actually remember these? The Lifesavers, Hard Candy, Sweet Storybooks, the Christmas storybooks that opens up. I mean, I've been remembering these for a long time. They've been available, these storybooks, Lifesavers. It's like a Christmas tradition. But what's your fondest moment in your life, if you've ever gotten these? And what is your favorite Lifesavers flavor? Mine is actually, I would have to say, I like a lot of them, but the wild cherry would be the most favorite. Probably a lot of you probably like it too. That's probably the #1 favorite flavor, I would say. But you know what to do. Leave the comments down below. Bagel cam. Well, it started snowing again. I'm going to try to give you a little look out the window, but I'm going to give you a better look outside. That's to zoom in. See how much the snowman's completely covered almost? Yeah, it's really coming down. It's almost a couple of inches already. But later I'm going to show you the out front, since I showed you the back already, and show you how deep it is when I'm standing in it and shoveling it. Lots of fun. I'm gonna go out and shovel again. Well, let me give you a little bit of a view of what it looks like before I start shoveling, just to give you a sense of what I'm dealing with here. See, look at the snowman, people. Oh, but yet, look. That's how deep it is. The engine's almost buried. But I'm gonna hand the camera over and let someone be the director while I go shovel. Get a little sense of how much snow it is in the path. How deep it is. See how deep it is? And then get the hard patches. The boat wants to go on. There we go. Did you stop it? Just finished shoveling. Wanted to give you a little idea of the depth of the path I made. Made a path to the car, which I also shoveled out. You can't see because it's dark. I also made a path there. You can't see. But yeah, that's the path right now. It is 6 degrees outside. Just move the car back and forth to make sure we can get it out. 6 degrees. And it's still snowing. I'm gonna go in, have a little bit of dinner, and warm up, maybe with some hot chocolate. Yeah! Woo! Food cam. Tonight's dinner is a homemade meatloaf with cheese in the inside. What kind of cheese is it?
Cheddar.
Cheddar cheese in the middle. Mashed potatoes, homemade, with gravy and green beans. And that was my phone was texting. And that's Lifesavers up in the corner there. And that's my empty cup. And that's the camera's case right there. But that's food. Now I'm gonna eat. And I hope you do too. You all want to see a snow puppy? Come on, follow me. Alright. Come on, say hi to the people. Look at you. Turkey. Here we go into the Jeopardy round. Come here, Turkey. Come here. Come here. Come here. Turkey. 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 Come here. Come here. You're freezing cold. It's freezing cold. Say hi everybody, it's YouTube. I think he's just trying to dry himself off on me. Alright, let's see if I can roll and get double so I can get out of jail. Nope. I gotta pay to get out. And I gotta owe somebody rent. Nice. One costly trip, huh? Take a chance. And, yep, pay rent. One costly trip.
Chance with the dice. Landing on another player's property means you have to pay rent. The more expensive the property, the higher the rent.
The higher the rent.
I'm excited.
He's excited, people. Don't you wish you were? Give me. Well, the blizzard continues to rage on outside. But it is late and I am not going out there and shoveling no more tonight. But I will shovel tomorrow. If you like this video,